I don't know about you guys, but me, if somebody offers me free money, I take it. You offer me free money, I take it. That's why I am so excited about this latest promotion from the broker that I use, XM Global, one of the best forex brokers in Africa and one of the best forex brokers in the world. So they've just launched a new promotion today, the 4th of April, and this promotion is running until the 31st of May 2022. And this promotion is exclusive to traders on the African continent. If you are in any country on the African continent, this is a promotion for you. They are offering you a chance to win up to $400 free money. Why am I saying free money? Somebody might want to ask. Is free money because what they are offering is you just opening an account and doing what traders do, just trading from that account, and you stand a chance to make this much at the end of the promotion. That's free money because you do not need to go like recruit people or go and do some funny things. They are just like, go ahead, open an account, trade that account, and depending on the volume that you traded on that account, you stand to win up to $400 in cash prizes. That's free money because I am just being rewarded. I'm just being given money for doing what I normally do as a trader, trading. So if you're not yet a client of XM, there is a link in the description box below. If you want to sign up for this promotion, there is the link in the description box below. Go ahead and sign up and open your account, whether on MT4 or MT5. It doesn't really matter. And then you are in the promotion. So let's just quickly look at some of the T's and C's. Obviously, with any promotion, there are just one or two T's and C's. So basically, what you stand to win is between $5 and $400. As long as just meet some requirements below these. These are just the two requirements. So basically, you are going to fall into two price categories. Just two price categories. The first one, you are going to win a bonus balance of between $5 and $200. The second price level is you winning a cash balance of between $5 and $400. So what do you need? What do you need to meet the criteria for the two categories? With the first one, the first price level, you just need to trade 1.5 standard lots. 1.5 standard lots, whether you are trading forex, you are trading gold, or you are trading silver. Between the 4th of April and the 31st of May, you just need to have traded 1.5 standard lots of forex or gold or silver, and you can get a bonus balance of between $5 and $200. Let's just explain what does the bonus balance mean. The bonus balance means that this amount that you get is actually going to be deposited into your trading account. It's going to be deposited in your trading account. You cannot withdraw the bonus balance per se, but the amount of money that you are going to generate from this money, you can withdraw. So just take note of that. Then the second price level, you need to have traded about 3 standard lots of forex, gold, or silver. between now and the 31st of May 2022. And what does the cash balance mean? It means this money is withdrawable. You can withdraw this money. With the first one, the first price level, the money you cannot withdraw, but it's going to be deposited into your trading account. The profits that you generate out of these $200, as an example, you can withdraw that. But if you fall into this category, if you actually get this $400, you can actually withdraw it with no problems. Okay. So maybe let's just look at some of the, just to explain things a little bit better. So how do you enter? How do you enter into this promotion? Again, register for a real MT4 or MT5 account and just deposit $100, at least $100 into that account. Again, the link to register for this promotion is in the description box below, so visit the description box below. Then after registering your account with your $100 or whatever amount, at least $100 minimum, at least means minimum $100. And after doing that, then you just need to trade Forex, gold or silver between the 4th of April and the 31st of May. That's all that you need. And at the end of this period, they will look to see which category do you fall in. So if you have traded 1.5 standard lots during this period, you stand to win between $5 and $200 in bonuses into your trading account. If you have traded about minimum 3 standard lots during this period, 3 standard lots, then you stand to win between $5 and $400 in your account, which is again withdrawable. So clear. If you don't understand anything, just rewind the video a bit. Otherwise, the link is in the description box below. So okay, let's just look at some frequently asked questions about this promotion to explain things a little bit better. So who can take part in this promotion? We already said this promotion is exclusively for traders in Africa. So as long as you're based in Africa, this is a promotion for you. So everybody wins promotion is actually open to all existing and new clients with a validated XM real trading account or accounts. If you are residing in Angola, Benin, Botswana, Burkina Faso, Burundi, Cameroon, the list is long. If you are just trading in Africa, if you're a trader in Africa, this promotion is open to you. Whether you're an existing client of XM Global or you are a new client of XM Global, this is a promotion for you. You just need to meet these simple criteria. Okay. Probably another question that you probably want to know: how many how many winners will the promotion have? The number of bonus balance and cash balance winners is virtually unlimited. We said this is what everybody wins. So there's nobody who's going to come out number 1, number 2, number 3, number 5. No, as long as you just meet this criteria, you decide whether you want the price level number 1 or whether you want the price level number 2. Otherwise, as long as you meet this criteria, you stand a chance. There's not going to be a number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, nothing like that. So again, if you don't understand what I'm saying, maybe I'm speaking too fast, just rewind the video and watch it again. Then, when are the winners going to be announced? The winners are going to be announced on the 10th of June 2022, not 2000, still 2022, whatever. The prize winners will be notified via email and post news and a phone call from their personal account manager. So if you've used XM, you already know they are big on communication. These guys, they know how to communicate. Uh, every day you get an email about your daily balances, the trades that you took, everything. I've not seen this with many other brokers. XM, every day at the end of every trading day, the close of every trading day, when you close the trading day, you get an email telling you about the trades that you took, the profit that you made, the loss that you, everything. So as long as you have an account with XM, it shouldn't be hard for them to tell you that, hey, yeah, you have won or something like that. But these guys are big on communication, so you don't need to worry about how do I know if I won, is what's going to happen and stuff like that. They'll send you an email, or you get a post, and you get a phone call from your personal account manager. Okay, so this is again to just explain the difference here. The difference here, the bonus balance and the cash balance. What does it mean? So the bonus balance cannot be withdrawn, we already say that, and can only be used for trading. So in this category, this up to $200 is going to be deposited into your trading account. You cannot like directly withdraw it, but you can use it for trading. However, any profits generated from your trading with the balance bonus can be withdrawn. So the profits that you actually generate from here, you can withdraw those profits. Then a cash balance, which is what? The second price level. This cash balance can actually what? Be withdrawn by the winner. Everything still clear? If you don't understand anything, rewind the video a bit. Then, how do you participate? But we already talked about this. Okay, again, to register, you need a validated XM, MT4, or MT5 real trading account. We said the link is in the description box below. So go ahead and sign up. To register, you must have a balance of at least $100 or currency equivalent. Whether maybe your account is actually in euro or GBP or some other currency, it needs to be equivalent to 100 US dollars. Then you just need to what? To just trade according to this. Just trade according to this, and you automatically are entered into what? Into the draw. And again, the draw is for everybody in Africa. As long as you are in Africa, the promotion is open to you. If you are in Africa, you are an existing SM trader, or you want to join XM, the link is in the description box below. This promotion is open to you. So it's free money, up to $400 in free money. Again, why am I saying it's free money? Because you are just getting rewarded for doing the things that you normally do. You are the trader, you are getting money for trading. You're a trader. Okay, so sign up. The link is in the description box below. If you have any questions about this promotion, I've tried my best to explain it. But if you still have questions, hit me up in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all your questions. If you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, that's the only thing I'll ever ask you to do. Otherwise, I don't sell stuff. I don't ask you to buy stuff from me. Everything that I do here is just for your benefit. So yeah, go ahead and sign up for this promotion, and I'll see you on the other side.